high-bodied car, Rolls-Royce Cullinan SUV is inspired by a diamond. Rolls-Royce has been talking about making a high-bodied car, aka SUV, since 2015. Now, the automaker says the wait is almost over, and confirms the model will bear the name Cullinan. Starting with the Dawn convertible, Rolls-Royce has been introducing vehicles with less ominous names than Ghost, Phantom, and Wraith. During the development process, Rolls-Royce dubbed the SUV Project Cullinan. The name comes from the Cullinan diamond, the largest flawless diamond ever discovered. From the searing deserts of Africa and the Middle East to the freezing snows of the Arctic Circle, from the grassy glens of the Scottish Highlands to the towering canyons of North America, the designers, engineers, craftspeople, and artisans of the House of Rolls-Royce have shaped, tested, and polished this unique motorcar to eliminate any flaw, Rolls-Royce said in a statement. The model is expected to have all-terrain capabilities that will help it compete with the Bentley Bentayga. The Cullinan will use the same aluminum-intensive platform that underpins the new Phantom. Eventually, all Rolls-Royce cars will sit on this new architecture. The Cullinan is also likely to borrow the 6.6-litre twin-turbo V12 from the Phantom, although output could vary from the sedan's 563 HP and 664 lb-ft of torque. As previously reported, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan is expected to debut this summer. Deliveries should start in 2019.